Hey there, the Cat's Meow team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and your product, the Pure Catnip, caught me attention. First, congrats on earning the star ratings. It is impressive in such a competitive category. By the way, my name is Jenny, a business development representative. I'm the Amazon guy, and I noticed a few things that could help you drive even more traffic, conversions, and market share. And I'll show you all of this in a quick video. So let's dive right in. Now what drives traffic into your listing? This through the list of your keywords, and I see your banking for over 500 of organics and bidding for 64 of keywords, but these could be better. I would highly encourage you to increase or add more for your organics since these are for free. These are your free traffic, and you should follow the recommended ones. It's a healthy ratio, and that means for every two organics, we aim one paid keyword. Now you may also check these keyword phrases. So these are the highly searched keywords under your category. And it's good to see that you were able to index for a lot of variations in here. But I can still see some rankings that are still in a higher double to triple digits, so you're still 30 pages down. And just take note that for you to be on the page one, you need to be around at the top 50. Now let's have this the catnip 54,000 searches, and well done for ranking on a single digits for both. Let's go and check how big is category. Now, just in the top 50 listings in this keyword alone, there is a monthly revenue of $3.2 million earned by these sellers. And as you see, your product here generated a revenue of $100,000, which is really good. But your competitors were able to generate a higher revenue. With that, we need to step up your game. And it looks like to me there is still a lot of market share available for you to take advantage of. And I analyzed one of your competitors, the Cat Crack team. And this is not to do a product comparison. We're just checking out how they are performing and strategizing, and so we can benefit from their keywords and incorporate them into your strategy. And yes, your competitor in here has more keyword variations. They were able to target for more relevant keywords. And this is one of the reasons why they can have more sales. They sold 11,900 plus of units with a monthly revenue of over $170,000, and you generated over 100 or you generated 104,000 of monthly revenue. But no worries, we can help you close and even surpass the gap. And we should also perform a keyword gap analysis from at least 10 of your competitors, wherein we duplicate those highly performing keywords and integrate them into your listing to give you the same exposure that your top competitors are actually getting. Now, going back to your product detail page to further optimize it, let's start with your images in here. Well done for having these enticing photos. For your product title, you should optimize these up to 200 characters. Well done for having 5 bullet points. But take note that your SEO is not a set and forget, since search engine algorithms and online user behavior constantly evolve. So have a regular update. Well done for having your brand story and the A+ content here as well. But you can actually add more images and templates to showcase who you are as a brand, and have those clickable links or hyperlinks from your different great products as well to increase customers' average order value. For your A+ content, you can still optimize up to 7 modules, where you can even include a video and a product grid at the bottom to help you increase your customers' average order value. I can see that you have your text embedded in your photos, but take note you can also have some outside. Having at least 500 words will help you generate traffic, and that's good for SEO, not only for Amazon but also for Google, along with the alt text, where you can actually maximize these by incorporating common misspellings and Spanish words that your customers might input in searching for your product. And yes, this is just a glimpse of how we can help increase your market share and optimize your listing on Amazon. And you should take advantage of our free consultation to discuss this further. From PPC and SEO to catalog troubleshooting, creatives, or brand protection, we cover all pillars of Amazon growth. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, let our data-backed strategies and hands-on team take your brand to the next level. Thanks for watching and have a great day.